Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. The city of Udine and broader Friuli Venezia Giulia region are preparing to welcome one of European football's most prestigious fixtures, the UEFA Super Cup, scheduled for Wednesday, August 13.
Udine is set to host the UEFA Super Cup on August 13th. The match, held at Stadio Friuli, marks the first time the event takes place in Italy under its current format. In the lead-up, the region will offer cultural events and special promotions, turning Friuli Venezia Giulia into a vibrant stage for international football.
Riuscire a promuovere un territorio non vuol dire portare soltanto turismo, ma vuol dire anche portare investimenti. Se un territorio è conosciuto e preso in considerazione, se è fuori dai radar è ovvio che nessuno può sceglierlo. È la prima volta che un evento, che la Super Cup si svolge in Italia, un evento di portata internazionale, e per la prima volta è stata scelta Udine nel Friuli Venezia Giulia. Significa che anche nelle tutte organizzazioni passate che abbiamo fatto per i grandi eventi sportivi, in particolar modo sul calcio e nel calcio, c'è stata una grande risposta organizzativa.
Un'emozione grandissima e soprattutto una grande opportunità per la città e per il nostro territorio.
Regional Council backs Fedriga, ending government crisis in Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Ringrazio ovviamente la fiducia della maggioranza che si conferma unita e con la volontà di andare avanti. Ringrazio ovviamente anche forse chi si è messo a disposizione non per una fiducia ma per un confronto.
University of Trieste awards honorary degree to Fincantieri's CEO.
The University of Trieste has awarded an honorary master's degree in naval engineering to Pier Roberto Folgero, CEO of Fincantieri. The recognition highlights his leadership in advancing shipbuilding through innovation, sustainability, and digital technologies.
I believe it's one of those experiences you will never forget.
Generali CEO Philippe Donnet awarded honorary MBA by MIB School of Management.
Philippe Donnet, CEO of Generali, has received an honorary MBA from MIB Trieste School of Management, honoring his leadership in the global financial sector.
It's an important event for MIB, for Trieste, and also for Generali. We are very proud to be an important partner of the MIB in Trieste, an important partner for the city of Trieste.
New archaeological discoveries unearthed beneath the streets of Trieste.
New archaeological discoveries have emerged in Trieste beneath Via Madonna del Mare and Via Tigor, near the site of an early Christian basilica. The excavation is part of a broader effort to preserve and enhance the city's historical heritage.
Trieste opens new dog-friendly beach along Barcola Waterfront.
Trieste has opened a new dog-friendly beach along the Barcola Waterfront. Called Bow Beach, the area gives dogs and their owners a dedicated space to access the sea. The final works are still ongoing. The city opened the beach early for summer use, with an official inauguration planned for October, right after Barcolano Regatta.
Summer's off to a great start in Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Summer is off to a strong start in Friuli Venezia Giulia with packed events, sunny beaches, and cool mountain escapes. With growing visibility, the region is set to surpass even 2024's impressive figures.
Innanzitutto con un gran caldo, e questo aiuta a chi vuol venire a visitare le nostre spiagge, ma anche a chi vuole andare a prendersi un po' di fresco in montagna. Devo dire che i numeri che stanno contraddistinguendo queste prime settimane estive sono molto buoni. Insomma.
The American community of Trieste celebrated 4th of July at the Prosecco Baseball Stadium.
On July 4th near Trieste, locals gathered at Prosecco Baseball Stadium for an American Independence Day celebration.
California, a little bit of California and a little bit of New York, and I've been living in Trieste for 10 years.
What do you like about living in Trieste?
Well, I like that it's just a medium-sized city, not too big, not too small, and it has the sea and the mountains and just a little bit of everything.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.